Hello everybody and welcome to Memphis, Tennessee on this December the 15th. It's about 45 degrees. But anyway, this is the last video of the Bermuda grass in Memphis, Tennessee. The Bermuda grass in this area will go dormant pretty much at the middle of November, and then just turn browner and browner until about middle of April to May, when the temperatures are warmer. So what I do throughout the year, the remaining year, is to just keep the leaves off the yard, which I've done, and that's pretty much it. It's dormant, so there's no need to do anything. All the pre-emergents are done until the spring now, and I just keep the leaves off, and then come spring we'll mow it lower. But anyway, everybody wants to always ask what the yards look like in the south. This is it. They're brown because they don't grow. Anyway, that's the Bermuda grass lawn in the south. Nothing, brown. It's nice. I'm gonna walk over here real quick. As you can see, here's the Bermuda line on this side. Same thing. And then there's the neighbors. And that's what it looks like for them. So that's what the Bermuda grass looks like, and hope everybody has a Merry Christmas, and there you go. Bye.